Welcome back. It's your boy Marco Scott, the man Russian.
And I'm Salim, the man Taylor Street.
And this is I Heart Hoops. And yeah, y'all know we coming in a different man because we trying to keep up with the times. We're a couple of old heads and we don't know how to keep up with the millennials. We up with the millennials. Y'all know what it is, man. I'm talking about collar and all that good stuff, man. I Heart Hoops, Joe. Let's get to SeeRed first, man. Let's talk about these Bulls, bro. I'm so upset with the Bulls at this point, E. Like, I don't know what to do at this point. Like, we still got Zach LaVine. We winning games. We losing games. Last week, 2 weeks ago, I was like the Bulls could win 35 games. Last week, I was like the Bulls could win 20 games. This week, I'm still uncertain, man. I just don't understand about these Bulls, bro. Help me out. How you feel about the Bulls?
The same way I felt about them last week. I mean, I told you they rookies, they young. There's a lot of young kids out there. They, as you can see, they scoring a lot of points. You know,
right?
I mean, granted, we just beat one of the teams that y'all thought y'all was trying to crown the Knicks for some reason. I don't understand why y'all trying to crown the Knicks.
Why did you say y'all?
I ain't gonna say y'all, but I'm saying America in general. Period. But I've been here through the grapevine.
Okay.
Leaves, trees, whatever you gonna call it. Y'all been trying to crown the New York Knicks. And we just smacked their head.
Yeah.
So for the Bulls to be this bad team, last time I checked, Brunson was there. Last time I checked, Cat was there. You know what I'm saying? Like,
but this SeeRed, you talking about them Knicks?
No, I'm saying that.
You gotta give credit. You showing up the credibility.
I'm giving out credit to SeeRed. Look at this guy, because I'm telling you, like, that's what we just won again against Atlanta Falcons. Atlanta Hawks. Excuse me, you know, we on the rock.
We off the rocks. No, we be messing up the names.
We lost to the Hawks. We beat the Hawks. We beat Knicks right now. Come on, man. Like, we beating good teams. So, like I said again, the league is mediocre. You already know. So, we're going to beat some teams and we're going to lose some games. We're going to still be that same seed, playing for the unplay-in. But right now, it's about that NCAA tournament. You know what I'm saying? Really, it's about that NCAA tournament. And that's how I feel about the Bulls. They ain't ready for the NCAA. They ain't got no game yet in the NCAA tournament. They play against Cleveland. Their first game in the NCAA tournament. I want to see what's up with that. They get prepared. They just beat the Knicks. Let's give Cleveland their first L.
I'm with you.
That's some showtime to me right now.
Next game against Cleveland, Friday, NCAA tournament day. Bulls' first game in the tournament. I'm anxious to see.
Yep.
We've been talking a lot off camera about the Bulls and like Donnie, is this philosophy working? He got a lot of young guys out here. He got old guys. I just like where the Bulls at. I like where Kobe White at. I like where Ayo at. They had a year. They had years of they development where they played with DeRozan. So DeRozan he didn't gave them some sauce. He gave them some sauce. He like, man, look. You can play a long time in this league at a high level and not win. And I feel like the Bulls understand the games that they should win and the games that they shouldn't win. And Cleveland, with this being an in-season game, this give the Bulls the opportunity to play meaningful basketball in the beginning of the season. Yeah. And I think we're going to show up. I really don't like Zach LaVine in Chicago, but I think he's planning to get traded. I really don't like Vooch in Chicago, but it's working out at the beginning of the year. They beating good teams in the East at the beginning of the year, and I think they're going to continue to beat these good teams because they are who they are. And the bench is like, man, they got like Tucker on the bench. They got Carter on the bench. Like, they got like some real better Torrey Craig. That's what I was trying to remember his name. They got Craig on the bench.
His day off.
They got Craig on the bench. So they got, so the Bulls got the Bulls, don't sleep on the Bulls, bro. Ayo, Ball Out, Terry, Phillips, MB, the rookie.
Yeah.
Like, the Bulls, I don't like the Bulls sometimes because they don't play to win, but then sometimes Kobe White and Patrick Williams be like, man, you know what? We gonna beat this team. And with that being said, I like the Bulls in the in-season tournament to make it to the finals, bro. Call me goofy. It's 9-1. Let's go to the betterverse. It's 9-1. Call me goofy. Call me wacky.
Man.
Call me whatever you want, but call me.
I mean,
hey, I'm off the Bulls Kool-Aid. You know what I mean? I'm off the Bulls. It ain't McCaskey Kool-Aid.
To be honest with you, the Betterverse and the Bulls NCAA tournament, because now they call it something different now. I forget what they call it now. It's like they changed it, like Emerald, or I'm not gonna mess up. We mess with names, but
yeah, you mess up the names.
I'll say that it's a cup now. It's a cup,
yeah,
and it's better to be made out here. Last time I checked, the Portland Trailblazers just beat Minnesota in the NCAA tournament. So these bum teams, these teams that's young, this their time to shine, show some goodness and just beginning a stage of the league. That's what I love about the NBA, man. It's doing a lot of different attributes for the beginning of the season to show like good teams and great teams and bum teams to come together. And we all play real tough and hard, and you never know who gonna win. You seen Indiana last year.
Yeah,
they was a bum
Indiana
team.
Was there.
They was a bum team last year. They was really a bum team.
LeBron wasn't going.
LeBron wasn't going. But all I'm saying is that like we found out what was what and what was who. Indiana went to the end season, went to the final. They lost. But they like, man, they tasted, and they went to the semifinals. So I'm saying that I love that for the NBA. That's the biggest thing.
Right. I like that for the NBA too. Yeah,
I know it's about the Bulls.
It's interesting. The court. Let me get in there a little bit. The court. A lot of people don't be liking the court. Tone was talking shit about the court. Shout out Tone, Cash Out Brothers. Y'all know how we rocking. Love you. All that going on. But the courts do be looking a little weird. But at the same time, when they put that court out there, them boys should play some basketball.
They balling.
Yeah, they should play some basketball. So the stable to show the weekly dog. I like the underdogs. The Bulls is a dog I like in the in-season tournament. And if we go out west, I'm gonna say this right here. I'm gonna say too the Lakers. I mean, no, not the Lakers. All right, I know I said we go out west. We off the rocks a little bit, but keep it on the East Coast.
Let's go back to East.
Yeah, keep it on East. Boston. I like Boston to win because Boston is going to be the first team to win the championship, then come back the next season and win the in-season tournament. So the storyline for Boston. Then the Lakers is like back-to-back in-season tournament champions. LeBron first couple of years. I know they sent Bronny James to the G League, but you know I'm a captain to bring Bronny back and style Bronny with LeBron and let him represent in the in-season tournament. So that's where I'm at with it, man. I like the Lakers and I like the Bulls and I like the Boston Celtics at the same time.
Look, I feel like, with this in-season tournament, I don't think America, you hear this man, I don't think he know what he's talking about.
Yeah, I don't watch sports.
I'm going to tell you this right now. First and foremost, I'm loving what you said about the Boston, because I give you that. I love the Boston Celtics as far as winning the whole NCAA tournament. They just lost. They lost to the Hawks. They lost to the Hawks yesterday.
Right.
So then they lost the game, but they went out. They could still make it, and they plus 800 last time I checked.
Okay.
So because they plus 800 and Boston is one of the best teams in the league, I'll take that bet just off of the base that they can win 3 or 4. NCAA tournament. It's like what, 3-4 games?
4 games. 4 games. You play everybody in your group.
In your group, and then whoever the best record.
Yeah, play everybody in your group twice.
Right.
4 teams in the group.
But 2 could come out the same division. I noticed that. So if Atlanta and they saying Atlanta in the same division, say Atlanta go undefeated. Let's just say how did Atlanta go undefeated. And Boston.
Y'all ready? Let's go.
And Boston went plus 800. Boston?
Yeah.
I don't know we gotta find out who else in that platform, in that group, but
yeah, I had it pulled up, but I ain't gonna get into it too hard.
We'll figure out that later on. But what I will say is that Boston, who I know Boston is, I feel like Boston can win their next 3 to 4 games in the in-season tournament on Tuesdays and Fridays and go to the finals. That plus 800 easily can happen because they champions, like you just said. That's why I like that.
Yeah, I like Boston to make history, bring back to back. Just the storyline for me. I'm going all off a storyline. It's all hypothetical for me, man. This is I Heart Hoops. It's tournament times, yo. We off the rocks, E. I'm charged. I'm just happy to be here. I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's season 3. episode
11.
11.
Man, we out here.
11.
Streets.
Spread your legs apart. 8. Feel me? I'm so yeah, it's the R. Kelly sign. Y'all know what it is, man. Hold on, we ain't quite done yet, but we close, man. It's service tournament.
We want to pay these bills, but we pay the bills.
Yeah,
we pay the bills. So
man.
look, guess what?
SeeRed, Our Hoops, y'all. We gave y'all in-season tournament funk.
We gave Boston Celtics. They ain't on shit though, like that.
Oh, he ain't got no faith in Boston. I got faith in Boston.
I got faith on the plus 800, but they really ain't on nothing when it comes to
8-1. It's the Boston Celtics in season tournament. I feel like they got the best team, but I won't sleep on Minnesota. I won't sleep on the Lakers to represent and protect their championship, and I won't sleep on the Bulls just because I'm from Chicago.
Yeah, what state?
The Bulls was plus 1,200. So 12-1 for the Bulls to win in-season tournament on FanDuel. Y'all can check it out. We represent, man. It's the We the Dog Sportsman Podcast Show. It's your boy Malcolm Scott, the man Russian.
And I'm Esau in the man Taylor Street.
We need y'all to like, subscribe, share for more of this content. Y'all know we out of bounds, inbounds. This is a new angle for us. But we in the mix though, man. We gonna holler at y'all in the mix. We coming back other side of the break. We gonna come back with Bass Talk.
Bass Talk.
Let's get it. It's a lot.